students. Now let us know the difference between state and society. The first one, state is a political organization. State is a political organization, whereas society is a social organization. The second one, state regulates only the external relation of men in society. State formulates rules in this regard, but society controls both the internal and external activities of the individual. Society regulates all forms of social conduct. That is the second difference. Third one, state has the nature of compulsion. Disobedience to its laws is followed by punishment. There should be a punishment if there is a failure or disobedience among the laws. There should be a punishment form. But society is not a compulsory organization, so disobedience to its principles is not followed by any punishment. There is no punishment in case of the society. If you disobey the rules or laws, there should be a punishment in the state. Fourth one fourth one state derives its strength mainly from laws. Society derives its strength from customs, conventions, and tradition. Already we discussed in the previous lecture in simple form. Now we are elaborating these points. State is a territorial organization. It has its own well defined territory. Territory Territoriality is its distinguished feature. Society is not confined to any geographical area. It has no territorial jurisdiction. Society may be broader or narrower than the state. Sixth one, state alone has sovereignty. So even in definition we discussed that the supreme power, sovereignty, is vested in state. It operates through the instruments of compulsion and coercion. It uses force to implement its laws and policies. Society does not possess sovereignty. It is supported by social customs, conventions, and morality. It has coerce power. So there is no compulsion and there is no restriction in society. State alone has its sovereignty, the supreme power. It operates through the instruments of compulsion, coercion. It uses forces to implement the laws and policies through military and extra forces. But in the case of society, it is not so happened. State is an important part of society. It refers only to the politically organized portion of society. Society is wider than the state. We have already discussed. Society is the complex of social relations formed and developed through various groups and associations, voluntary association, non-voluntary association, discretion's basis. Forming of society is occurred due to this. State is developed from a social organization. With the social organization only state was established. It is created from society. Some societies make the state, but society is a bigger one. In society, the state is a part and parcel. State is just a part of it. Society come first. It's prior to the state. So it is origined before the state. The society were established. Man by nature is a social being, as we know that the man is a social animal. State may not be permanent. It may disintegrate. It may be forcibly occupied by other states. So there may be inventions. So it is a temporary organization. When you compare to the society, it may be integrate or disintegrate or divide or subdivide or microfied. So